Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, my name is Raquel Altia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious lamb mandi with a super tender meat and mandi sauce. Like guys, this dish is a must. So without further any ado, let's dive into this recipe. So let's start with the meat marinade. In a bowl you're going to add some salt, black pepper, cayenne powder, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoons, and then you're going to squeeze 1 lime and some olive oil. I've mixed 2 types of olive oil, one which contains garlic and a normal one. Then you're going to mix everything well, and it's high time to put the marinade into our meat. Personally, I went and used a lamb meat. Make sure you've cleaned it and pat dry it. Then you're going to put the marinade on top and you're going to rub it all over your meat. Do not miss any spot. And you're also going to add some saffron. Saffron is to add some flavor into your meat and to make your meat to have a nice beautiful color. Once you're done, you're going to cover your meat properly with a baking paper and an aluminum foil and let it to marinate for like few hours, or for the best result you can let it to marinate for overnight. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Place the meat in the oven, add some water underneath. This is going to make your meat to become moist and let it to cook or to bake for 2.5 hours until the meat becomes tender and juicy. Now you're going to prepare our rice. Heat some ghee with some olive oil, add 2 large of onions and cook until translucent. Then you're going to add some garlic paste, garam masala, curry powder, bay leaves, some cardamom sticks with some cinnamon sticks. Stir until the spices release some aroma. And I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to add some colorful color into my rice, and sprinkle some salt. Then you're going to add 3.5 cups of water, bring it to boil. Then lastly, we're going to add 2 cups of clean basmati rice or any other rice that you prefer. Stir a bit and let the rice to cook until the water is completely done. Once the water has completely dried, stir your rice using the narrow side to avoid the rice from breaking. Then I'm going to add more of the ghee and some olive oil, cover and let it to cook for at least 5 minutes, and it's high time to make our mandi sauce. In your blender, you're going to add some onion, garlic, fresh coriander, 2 large tomatoes and habanero pepper. You're also going to add some olive oil with a bit of water, blend until smooth. Then you're also going to add some 3 tablespoons, continue blending, and our sauce is ready. Pour it into a bowl. Then you're going to squeeze 1 lime with some salt, mix well, and our fresh creamy mandi sauce is ready. After 2.5 hours, our meat is ready and our rice is ready. I just added some raisins and some chive, which is optional, and I'm just going to cover for like 2 minutes, and our mandi rice is ready, and it's high time to serve our mandi. Like guys, here is our beautiful mandi and our super tender meat. Just serve it everything in a large plate like this. I'm just going to add some spring onions, some onions with some dates. Oh my goodness, like guys, look at that plate. Serve everything together and enjoy. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.